Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your LG 43UA TV. So first of all, press the central D-pad key on your TV to go further, and after that select the language from the list. So depending on which type of remote control you're using, you have to either use the up and down arrow keys to navigate and the central D-pad key to select, or just use your mouse pointer to select the language that you need and then navigate to the next option. After that, select the country. Now, but before we select a country, I just want to mention that it will be much easier to set up your TV with your smartphone, and I highly recommend doing that. So no matter which type of smartphone you're using, it can be either it can also be a tablet, it can be an Android device, it can be an Apple device. Anyways, all you have to do is open the App Store or the Play Store on Android. In the Play Store, you're gonna have to select, you're gonna have to find the LG ThinQ application. And let the camera focus. Okay, so find the LG ThinQ application, then select open this page, download and install it. And once it's installed, what you're gonna have to do next is select the country that you have selected on your smartphone. So make sure that your smartphone and your TV have the same region selected. So for example, in my case, it's Poland, and tap next. And after that, you're gonna have to, if you want to set up, or if you need to set up accessibility settings right now, then select the first option, so the option on the left, and the setup later option will let you set up accessibility settings later in settings menu. So let's go with the second option, unless you need to set up accessibility settings right now. Then select setup with your mobile device, so the option on the left, and then select next to confirm. And after that, you're gonna have to scan the QR code that you see on your screen using your smartphone's camera. Then tap on the link you see on your iPhone screen. This will open the LG ThinQ app. Tap turned on, then tap done, and then you're gonna have to provide the code that you see on your TV screen. On your smartphone. Tap done. Then your TV will start connecting to your smartphone, and after that provide a password to your Wi-Fi network. If you want to change the Wi-Fi network, then tap right here and select the different Wi-Fi network. So let me quickly enter the password to my Wi-Fi on my smartphone. That's basically the reason why we are using smartphone, because connecting to your Wi-Fi using smartphone is much easier than using your remote control. Besides, you will also be able to sign into your LG Q account easier. On your smartphone, you can also use the Google account or the Apple account to sign in, which is more convenient than using your remote control to enter your credentials manually, especially if you need to create a new account. So once you're ready, tap next, and then accept terms and conditions. And if you want to, you can also accept all the other choices or other agreements, but they are not required. So we can just agree. Tap agree, or if you want to select everything, just select the first option on the list and tap agree. Then you can read user agreements by tapping read now. Otherwise, just tap later. Then select sign in, then select OK, then select TV only, then select OK, and after that let's continue on the TV. So right now we're gonna have to select the installation type, so either stand if your device is standing, if it's mounted, select wall mounted, then press OK to confirm. And if you want to enable the screensaver, switch the toggle to the right, tap oh yes. You can also preview your screensaver. And Let's tap next. Now if you want to enable automatic update, just leave this toggle switch to the right, otherwise switch it to the left, and then tap next. And we are almost here. Now if you want to tune programs for your TV, then select the TV connection type that you're using, and then tap next. I'm not using any of these, so I'm just gonna select exit. And after that, let's wait for a couple more seconds. And I think we're pretty much done here. Okay, once again, we're gonna have to sign into LG account. I'm not sure why it didn't sign in before, but let's select LG ThinQ App, sign in, and let's scan the QR code we see on the screen once again. And for some reason it's not signing in, so let's tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then select sign into your TV with your account, and tap yes, sign in. Okay, and for some reason it was unable to sign in, so let me just restart my smartphone once. Okay, so after I restarted my smartphone, everything worked just fine. And right now we're gonna have to continue and basically finish on our TV. So the screen means that we are almost done. Now you can also select the additional applications for your TV if you want to download and install them right now, like Amazon Alexa, Prime Video, Google Cast, and tap done when you're done, and you are now transferred to your home screen. So that's basically it. Your TV is fully set up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.